Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. My name is Emil Devora and welcome to AppDev.Tech. For this video, we are going to be unboxing my new Cooler Master Box MB600L ATX mid tower. I'm gonna be building a new PC for my cousin this Christmas and I'm gonna be using this computer case for it. Before we start, if you guys are new to the channel, make sure to drop a like, subscribe to the channel. It will help me and the channel grow. Also, if you want to see more videos, make sure to click that notification bell and check out my channel. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. Let's get started. I got this case from Amazon for $46.99. This case is an ATX mid-tower that weighs about 11.1 pounds. It supports 4 120mm fan, 240mm radiator, and a 400mm GPU, so you won't ever have to worry about the fit of your graphics card. Support for even the largest, widest card. Sleek and elegant design. The Master Box MB600L with its sleek design, brushed front panel, and red side trim gives the case an elegant outlook. The edge-to-edge transparent acrylic side panel provides easy access and a clear view to internal build components. A full black coating and PSU cover for a clean build with easy cable management. That is it, guys. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. If you guys enjoyed that video, make sure to drop a like, subscribe to the channel, hit that notification bell. It would help me and the channel grow. I will see you guys on the next one. Peace out, guys.